All right, let's look at find out more. Look at Ron's picture graph on the previous page. The key tells you that each ball stands for 2 points. You can multiply the number of balls by 2 to find the total number of points each student scored. So Alan has 1 ball times 2 equals 2 points. Kate has 3 balls times 2 equals 6. Gary has 5 balls times 2 equals 10. May has 4 times 2 equals 8. We can also show the same data in a bar graph, but we're not going to talk too much about that today because we're going to do more of that tomorrow. So we're just going to kind of skip this for right now, and we're going to go to the next slide and work on some problems by ourselves.